So this is the 58 volt AEG line trimmer or whippersnipper. It's a product or brand that is pretty much exclusive to Bunnings in Australia. Apparently made by Ryobi. I just want to cover 5 things from my experiences that would probably result in me not purchasing it again. The first thing I'm not a fan of is the weight of the machine, and this is probably my own fault. When you go into the hardware store, it's often sitting up on a rack like this. You'll pick it up, you'll move it around, feel pretty good. But what you fail to identify is that none of the batteries are actually sitting in the line trimmer. And then once you add the battery right at the back, all the weight they're leveraging, it is okay if you're doing your sort of brush cutting, but once you start to flip it around, trying to do edges and line trimmers, there is a fair bit of weight to hold up there. And after a while it is quite wearing. So okay for short jobs. For those longer jobs you may want to look at something a little bit lighter. Second thing I'm not a fan of on this product is the protection guard here. When you purchase the whippersnipper, you'll have this massive unit which is completely useless. Just removing that is an absolute pain in the backside. You'll definitely put on this smaller one, which in all honesty is probably too small. I may consider just removing it completely and wearing some eye protection instead, because it doesn't do a hell of a lot. The third issue I have, I guess, or complaint, is that it does come with the 6-year warranty, 3 years on the battery, and I did have a motor burnout after about 12 months. Took it back to Bunnings, they was fine. They had to send it away because it is a repair warranty, not a replacement. Said it would normally take 2 weeks, but because it was that Christmas period, that I would expect a 3-week wait. By week 5 I rang them up, not too annoyed because I didn't need it over that period anyway, but there had been no response at all from AEG themselves, so they just grabbed one off the shelf and gave me the updated version, I guess, which was great, but certainly longer than I expected, and would have been quite annoying had I needed a whippersnipper over that period of time anyway. Fourth issue I have is probably the price. It is an expensive whippersnipper at around $600. At the time of purchasing, I did get a free redemption for a chainsaw skin, which I actually sold on eBay for about $240, so that did reduce the price somewhat. But at the moment there are no redemptions available on their website for this product. So yeah, you've just got to be aware and pick your times. Keep an eye out if you are interested for those redemptions, because it can make a massive difference on the overall cost of the line trimmer or any of the AEG products for that matter. The final thing I'm a little bit disappointed in is, after that warranty episode, I did put a review on their website. It was a balanced review. It is a powerful unit, but I did explain the difficulties I had with the warranty and the motor burnout. That review was not published because apparently it didn't meet their guidelines, I guess, of what they want in reviews. That to me does not give me a lot of faith in the AEG brand or product. You don't want companies filtering reviews unless there's something quite wrong with the review. This was an honest review, but it just takes the shine off a company that's hiding from more feedback that they're receiving from their customers. So I bought this because I wanted to buy in the future a battery powered lawnmower, and I wanted a powerful unit. I have since done that, but it hasn't been with the AEG brand.